What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Seas of Seasallauto LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. I'm towing a scrap vehicle for a buddy right now, and well, this video is going to be about how to use a snatch block. I had a lot of comments on an older video that I posted where I should have used one to get this person out of a ditch. I had two of them and completely forgot that I didn't have them in my truck, and that's the reason why I didn't use them. So this is going to be a good opportunity, and check it out. You're going to learn something on this one here. We're gonna get into it right after the intro. All right, so first off, my Jeep homies decided to strip down one of these because they build these things. That's just what they do, like that monstrous thing right there. But either way, I got this on my bed. We're gonna walk around to the other side. Seasallauto, baby. And as you can see, we are over quite a bit. Now it's gonna be hell to strap this thing down to begin with, but the last thing I wanna do is have any trouble with, law. So, I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna do. I use the snatch block here to pull this here, and I was like, dang, I should have made a video about that. So hopefully this stands because I'm not using my camera stand right now. Hey, what's going on, Adam? All right, so we got the snatch block, and what happens is this opens up. You put your cable through here like that. You don't close it back, and what this does is change the direction of the kinetic energy of the line. So instead of it towing straight up, I'm using this to switch the angle like that to pull this way. I'm over here. I got my hook. I'm just gonna hook it anywhere in the frame. Now I'll show y'all what we're doing. I also have to go crank up the PTO. I'll show y'all how I hook this in the beginning or at the end. Well, that did not work that good, and I'm gonna show you why. I don't have the angle that I need to keep this over here because of where my actual locks are at. So what I'm gonna have to do, what am I gonna do? Use a chain. One part of my chain right here. I got a chain put in here. Hopefully that holds off the needle to it. I'll bring my other side and the snatch block. Now I'm also staying very clear away from this, just to let y'all know, because if it goes off, because I hooked it up wrong or whatever, I don't want to lose my face or a limb. Now let's change up. This and come back and show y'all. I gotta let these people go. took me a while to do that. And part of the reason then I need a better hook point to where I can hook these hooks to be able to make this straight line. But this essentially, you would make a chain line and then hook to that and then make it as short as you want. It still worked, as you can see. I got the bed over. I want to do it again down there. It didn't do it exactly how I needed it to. This side came out better, but once I shifted the front, of course that shifted back there. So now I got to come back, but because the trash man came right over there somewhere. So good news is it's on there. This way is a lot better. I'm still gonna go and straighten this up, but I won't take too much more of y'all time. I just wanted to show you, because these had already had this out, I just basically just hooked straight into the frame, and then the winch or snatch block changed the angle. So this could have been done a whole lot better, I will admit that. But because I'm kind of pinched for time and I just want to make a quick example, it would have made a lot more sense for me to show it over here. Like I say, it was a whole lot easier to do it right off of here and then make a whole 90-degree angle. But yeah, that's the basic ideal of how to use a snatch block. So I'm gonna make a better video about this. We'll take this one for now so you guys can just get an understanding of it. I'm still working with this equipment, still learning a lot of things about my truck, and having a damn good time doing it. I hope you guys found some type of use out of this. Basically, we're changing angles to use a snatch block. Thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We got a whole lot more content. We are keeping it coming, keeping it pumping, keeping it conscious. Let me get some, so you get some visual here. There we go. Whew. Okay, I gotta get this thing moved over, get it strapped down into the scrap yard. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, mi gente, be pro mundo beneficio siempre.